dealing with the List Library DLL error in Localized Data List Manifest app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for List Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the List Library, a library module used by specialized database tools to manage large-scale data indexing and UI list rendering. It handles the virtual scrolling logic for millions of rows. If missing, the host application will fail to load data tables, typically displaying a failed to initialize list control or immediate memory exception. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. List is a key part of the Localized Data List Manifest runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of Localized Data List Manifest will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the list library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Replacing List Library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing List Library references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including List Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.